We're in the beach. Hey guys, so we're here in the beach. It's January 24th today, and naisipan ng mga ka-workmates ko na mag-beach kasi it's Australian Day as well today. So we're here at the beach. It's not really like yung kagaya sa Pinas na beach. I think they're here. Juna's here. So I'm here with Elliot. Where is he? There. I'm babysitting Elliot because Tita Stella is in there and she is somewhere. Nagtatago kasi kami kasi mainit. A little backstory is that last week they were planning na about maliligo nga because it's Australia Day, and di pa naman ako sure kung sasama ko. But last night I asked Dad and he said yes, so sumama ko. Ano to? Yes! I'm eating! Tinatawag nila ako. Ano lang to, 2 hours drive from our place to here. Now I'm thirsty. That's it. I'm done eating. Now I'm gonna go there kasi tinatawag na ako ni Chi. And I'll just be there, watch them. Yeah, they'll be here at 10. 9 or 10.
Let me want them. Is my phone there?
No, I left it in there.
I'll bring it.
I don't know the password.
Yeah, I'll bring it.
Password.
Amy.
Yes.
Yeah.
You put in your aquarium. Don't throw like it.
Rain, rain, go away.
Yeah, today me also picture. Malaya pinasya ko sa iwan mo na yun.
What? It's okay. He's good looking. Even Elliot.
Come on, Dad.
They're gonna be friends.
Boyfriend.
I don't have a boyfriend.
Girlfriend.
You don't need a boyfriend because you need a girlfriend,
Need
Cammy.
a girlfriend. Boyfriend.
You don't need boyfriend. It's a little bit dark, but like I'm back in our spot eating and babysitting Elliot. He's here with me. Ah! There. It's dark because it's against the light. But I'm hungry. I didn't eat breakfast. I didn't eat dinner. Great! And now I'm eating chips. That's nice, Danny.
2 hours later.
It's langaw. 10:17. I don't know if nakikita niyo. But we just finished eating and bumalik na sila doon sa dagat para maligo, and I stayed here kasi I feel tired. Gusto ko matulog. And I'm vlogging on my phone lang pala. Naantok ako. Maraming langaw. So, I'm in a hunt for a good background because I'm gonna do TikTok. And maybe here, I don't know. Ang daming langaw! I found a spot para mag-TikTok. There's my phone and my background is Hey guys, so this is the next day and I forgot to end the vlog yesterday, and as you can see, we're in a different setting again. I'm at work and dito ko na lang i-end yung vlog ko, and thanks for watching guys. See you in my next vlog. Bye!